All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Welcome back. I just want to have a very brief meeting with you. So let's just know how many people that will join us this time.
Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go. Look at
All right. Just put your comments once you join us. Just put your comment. We are not gonna waste much time. Yes, I'm not gonna waste much time. Just put your comment once you come across the video. This is a live broadcast. There's something I want to discuss with us because a lot is going on, right? So I want to talk about people in Finland. You know, I've made a video about them. And some of you have watched that video. But the thing is that the damage they have caused is not only the one we talked about. There are so many other things that are involved that you may not know at this point in time. So I want to call your attention to that. Pay attention so that you may grab one or two things before the end of this live broadcast. I can see those of you that are watching this live broadcast, please put your comments. I want to know how many of us that are here this morning. Good morning to you all. Good morning. Good morning. Don't forget to like the video and share this live broadcast. Share it to many platforms of your choice. Let us know what you think about what we are discussing this morning, because we know in case if you are not aware, people who claim they are the gatekeeper in Finland, they have actually done something that is more deadly, okay, very, very bad, that you may not know about it, but I'm going to remind you of that in this live. Yeah, I greet you, my brother. I greet you, big syllable. I greet you. I greet you. He said, bless you, my brother. Good morning. Good morning to you. Where are you watching us from? Are you watching from Bongo or outside? We have just few people at the moment, and this is just 3 minutes of the program. Like I said, we are here to talk about people in Finland, what they are doing, and some of us don't know the damages. I am the first that started talking about it before other people begin to pay close attention to that. And not that I want to take credit of anything, but I just want to remind you that because a lot is going on. A lot is going on. So DPM, after making this post that she made a few days ago and talked about them, especially the guy called Ifai, right? So after DPM comment on that, it did not just start. It didn't end there. It didn't end there. So we are going to touchlight it in this video. Pay attention as we progress. I'm just waiting for people to jump before we start properly. I'm kind of delaying it a little bit, so just understand that, okay? Understand that it's very, very important that you do so. Just a moment, I will be right back. Don't play.
Obia diocha Ogayara choro kogbenye biri Ogayara choro kogbenye rieni Ogbenye chekubezi achukwu N'uche Chukwu abụzi ka eme N'uche Chukwu abụzi ka eme n'ụwa Ihe o soro n'iru ya si arịbazi ya Ogbenye bebe Ọganyara nwụrịba Ogbenye nwụrị ọganyara ejebe ihe soro ya Mana ọganyara nwụọ Ogbenye abịa bebezi akwa Ọganyara chọrọ ogbenye biri Ọganyara chọrọ ogbenye rie nri Ogbenye chekwubezi Chukwu Ọ dịrị m mma ya dịrị ibe m Ọ dịrị nwoke mma ya dịrị nwanyị ma N'anọkwa m n'ebe bere ugo bere Ọ dịrị m mma ya dịrị ibe m Ọ dịrị nwoke mma ọ dịrị nwanyị ma Ọkwa na-asanya nna m n'ịga dị Ọganyara chọrọ ogbenye biri Ọganyara chọrọ ogbenye biri nri Ogbenye chekwubezi Chukwu
All right, so as I was saying, a lot is going on. People in Finland. Okay, our brother said that you are in the US. Okay, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are highly, highly, highly welcome. Okay, you are highly, highly welcome. Just a moment. All right, sorry about that. I see you, Machi Bose. Say good morning, Mazika report. Thanks for standing on the path of the truth. That friend love you. I hope so. Thank you so much. I hope so. I hope so. And our brother Besidibo. Please, is that how you pronounce your name? I hope I don't want to, give you a different name from US. Okay. And we have an Ikozo, I see you. Ikozo, I see you. He said, Ogaka Ndeo, my brother. And then Breakthrough said, Mazika report, good morning to you. So, like as I was saying, my people, these secret phone calls going on, I may not go all out and begin to tell you everything. Okay, because some of those things is in the pipeline. Okay, because but I want to call your attention to what is happening. Those of you that are panicking, that that video that DPM posted of 185 is saying that for you to CPM must go through them. That's not the only thing they have done. They have moved to other things, calling people to tell them that USB government is this and that, like giving some of these informations, trying to bring one or two together to distract or to give you a kind of set your mind in a different way. Just a moment, please, because I am this is morning time, so I have to get some things done properly. Just bear with me. I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. Don't get.
Open the road, ọgaranya chọrọ ka ogbenye biri, ọgaranya chọrọ ka ogbenye rie nri, ogbenye chekwubezie Chukwu. N'uche Chukwu abụzi ka ya eme, n'uche Chukwu abụzi ka ya eme n'ụwa, ihe o soro n'iru ya si arịbazie. Ogbenye bebe, ọgaranya ṅụrịba, ogbenye ṅụrị, ọgaranya jebe ihe soro ya, mana ọgaranya nwụọ, ogbenye adabebezi akwa. Ọgaranya chọrọ ka ogbenye biri, ọgaranya chọrọ ka ogbenye rie nri, ogbenye chekwubezie Chukwu. Ọ dịrị m mma, ya dịrị ibe m, ọ dịrị nwoke mma, ya dịrị nwanyị mma, na-anọkwa m n'ebe ebere ugo beru. Ọ dịrị m mma, ya dịrị ibe m, ọ dịrị nwoke mma, ọ dịrị nwanyị mma, ụkwa na-asa anya nna m n'ịga dị. Ọgaranya chọrọ ka ogbenye biri, ọgaranya chọrọ ka ogbenye rie nri, ogbenye chekwubezie Chukwu.
Chega, metera, mano tá kana live.
Look at people of weak mind, very weak disposition. I need men and women made of steel. Nothing moves. You continue to push forward, never knowing what it means to retreat. Only forward can you go.
All right, so let's start. Okay, I'm sorry about that. And like I was saying, okay, we have some people here in the comments already. Breakthrough. Okay, Ogwejof, I see you. And Emmy, I see you. My greetings to you, Kai. I greet you. I greet you. Good morning to you, all of you. So, like I was saying, some of us are, you may think that what that post that DPM made about these people is just a normal post, like that the guy is just trying to stop people from going to Finland. In case if you're not aware, all those records who went there and so many other people, it was reported that if you go to go and see PM, like you want to follow them, want to use their pattern to go and meet PM, what they will do is that they will make sure that they sneak in. That's what DPM posted. If you read what the write-up from DPM, she also said it in that post. They will sit down with you to hear what PM is saying. Do you know that these people are now calling different people, telling them that DPM and USB government are frustrating PM, that they are not that they are trying to fight PM, that they're not working along with PM. I'm not gonna call names. No, I'm not gonna call names. It is very, very, very funny. Very, very, very funny. Like, okay, Madu, we pretend know who you are. Talking jokes, yapping nonsense. This is not the first time. Some time ago, we go to First and said the same thing. We go to First. He said the same thing, that DPM is working for PM to be repatriated, for PM to be sent back. Look what I'm again. No proof, no evidence whatsoever. The question is why? Why would somebody just wake up and begin to think like that? Begin to create stories that never exist. You know? Why? something that you don't have any evidence of, you don't have any idea, you are just saying it as if it is true, knowing fully well that it's not true. If you think it's true, why don't you bring the evidence? Why don't you bring the evidence? At least people will not help you and know what you know. You cannot see that what you are saying is true. What they normally do is they'll start targeting people that they think that they have something to offer. You get the point now. There's a voice note that somebody sent. You know, the person. Many of you have listened to that voice note. I believe many of you have listened to that. You know, the guy mentioned my name. That Kai report. They wanted to. That's the way he put it. That I would have played it now, but I don't want to play it. The reason best known to me. I'm not gonna play that audio here, okay? But I believe that 99.9% of you have access to that audio. So I just want to comment on where he mentioned my name. That this is how Kai reports. They nearly caught Kai reports. That is a lie. That's a lie. You see, one thing about that people, some of us are very, very rational. Like very, very rational people. Your mindset is telling that Kai report is this, but you don't know who I am. You don't know what is in my mind. I will take you back to the old story because this live broadcast is not going to take much time. I just want to spend maybe 30 minutes or thereabouts and I'll end it, depending on how the whole thing flows. Anyway, I want to pour my mind. Then, because this is morning, I'm not going to play this video play. I'm not going to play anything here. It's about me talking, okay? But I want you to hear what I want to say. Those of you that have shared the live broadcast, I appreciate you so much. Thank you for sharing it. I will encourage you to share it to every WhatsApp that you are in or Facebook because it's not time for you to keep quiet, you know. People can, the more you keep quiet, the more they will deceive a lot of people. And it's not going to happen because I have to say it the way it is. Now, why the guy said that Kai report, they never caught Kai report with this kind of thing, let me tell you something. There was a time that the Imam Madabo group said that PM called in their meeting. They sent the audio, the recorded audio of PM. They posted it and bragged that PM is calling them, he's not calling other people and all that. Before that, it came up, before Go2 played it, or Progress Analyst played her own. Before some of our people have it, I've already gotten that. You don't know. Many of you don't know what is going on. You know my number is out there, right? And some people those of our brothers that believe in other people, in other things, that are not the USB government. You think they don't try to convince me? Is that what you think? Of course they do talk to me. Then, not now. But like I have a way of, dealing with them. If you come and ask you some questions, I will try to understand why you believe in what you believe on. Make me to understand you. Let me hear from you. Prove to me that which you are saying is the right way to go. But you won't see them. You will not see them. They will run around without saying anything. I will still keep you as my friend. But when it comes to this, my brain, my mind is very, very active. I will listen to you attentively to know that which you know that makes you behave the way you behave. If you can convince me on that, then I will now subpedal. But if you can't, then we're gonna postpone the meeting. My door is always open. In case he messes up, I opened the door for a reason. Now, When they sent that audio to me, that PM called this group, I didn't see that as something, very, very huge for me to start thinking crazy. It did not occur to me like that. I just see that as normal. I say, then what? Because PM called the group, then is there any problem about it? Because I actually expect PM to call them, because it doesn't matter. PM is not here when the whole problem started. But I didn't know that the intention of the person that sent it to me was for me to see reason why I should start deviating from USB government. I think this is my first time of explaining this in public. Because for that, our brother to still retain that in his memory, to use me, to insert me as an example, means that many of you may have the same notion in your mind. That car reports, that I am I'm compromising. Like Trevor said, he said it to me one-on-one. That means that I'm compromising. It hurt my feelings, but I didn't react on that. I just kept quiet, because you don't need to use that kind of word. Even though you think you know me, but you don't know me. I told him that information that I receive from people trying to convince, trying to do what they can do or what they know how to do best, that even you talking to me, that if you receive that, you will fall back. But being the fact that I know what I know, and I know that which they're trying to do, so it's not going to be easy. Now, why do they think that a kind report is, that I'm a kind of compromising? When that audio came up, I didn't doubt that it's not PM. I believe 100% that is PM. Then I said that was PM. That was PM. Our people say no. Some of you, no. It's AI. It's AI. I said no. That was PM. Only this. People said I can't report that I'm not falling, but I'm trying to compromise. You see? So that is funny, because I didn't have anything in mind like that. So saying what I said is because I believe that Joe was PM, but I didn't see that as a problem. Like people should start panicking, or people should start. It should be worried. Why would you have to see that as a problem? The reason why they want to use that to make you feel uncomfortable is just for them to tie you down. So that PM called is not a problem. That was what I was trying to convince people to understand, that PM, if PM called Ogekere group, don't see that PM is with Ogekere, that is not with you. That was what I was preaching. Everybody begin to go on Kai report. Oh, Kai report, you are sabotaging. Oh, Kai. So it was like the argument was like Kai report said that that was PM, as if that was PM truly. What happened? So I don't know. So I don't. For the guy to say that is actually shocking to me. I didn't believe that some of you will still have that kind of mindset and all that. Greeting from here, Masakai, that's from Dochiku. And these guys are very terrible, very, very terrible, very, very terrible. You are right. As there's so many reasons. He said, I have not seen the audio. Oh, you are not in my group. It's not. This is our Ogwejo for our own Ogwejo for. I please, are you not Ogwejo for that we know, or another Ogwejo for? Bonifa said, good morning, sir. Good morning to you, my brother. I greet you. Edmond, this Ifai is a Nigerian planted. I am worried that our brother Oluchi was not able to explain this fact to PM. Explain which facts? Ogwejofo, you are the one. So go to WhatsApp, that our WhatsApp group. You see Ifai there. That not Ifai, that audio there. So many audios that has nothing to do with me though. but the person just choose to mention Kai report. Not in a bad way. I don't have issue with him more. But the reason why I'm explaining this is because in case if you are thinking like that, our brother, think no more. Okay, think no more. There's no qualms. Just a moment. All right. So, like I said, Kai report was not planning to do anything. Okay. In case if you're not aware, during the after the declaration of Biafra, okay, I received series of push from fallback republic. They are very cunning. They don't use the identity that I know. They will come and begin to talk to you nicely, just to know your mindset and where your mind is. When they find out that I'm neutral, they started advising you, okay, do this. You know what I mean? So you have contact of this and that. I was like, no, I'm not interested. You see? If you are worried about that kind of thing, listen. That's why I told us when I started, I said, do not praise me. How many of you remember when I said that? Do not praise me that I don't believe in your praises. Oh, Kai Report, thank you so much, my brother. Kai Report, you are one, you are the best. I don't believe you. Oh, come on, no, you just bitch it on again. Don't tell me because I know. Oh, the more you praise, some of us are kind of fond of allowing this kind of free praise to enter your brain. You begin to think that you're even more government than government. I said, avoid it. Just to save yourself. Not that if you praise, I will be angry with you. But it doesn't cross my mind. I just end the labor because I don't see it. Because I know the same you that will praise me will still tomorrow. You will be doubting me. The same you that is praising me, you will still be the one to doubt me. Even in recent time, 2 days ago, I was talking to some people. I was talking to someone. The person said, I was answering that call on my laptop, like WhatsApp laptop. Somebody said, Kai report. No, he said, don't record me. I felt bad. So you actually think that if I'm talking to you, I'm recording you. You think I don't have any other thing to do to record you? Some of us, you are bringing a mindset of what Lazuba is doing on my side. You must be a dreamer. I can't record you because I don't have anything bad against anybody. Anybody that I'm talking to. Record you for what? Why would I record you? Because I don't believe that I have anything that will trigger tomorrow that warrant that. If you record your video and put it in the public, I can use that as a reference. But not when I'm talking to you. I'll start recording you. What is the purpose? But one thing about me is that if I notice that you don't trust me, believe you me, I won't trust you. Do you understand? Even if you made it by mistake, I am not going to trust you. I may not let you know, but I will not trust you. Yeah, because as na ngozi na-adịrị ndị na-afọrọ ma kwere karịa ndị fọrọ before fekwere. Ị ga-ekwete before, bro, iwu na-efo. In out Kai report before you don't trust me. If I notice that you lack trust, believe you me, I will not trust you. Okay, I will not trust you. It's not clear. that this bunch, okay, it's not clear, sorry. It's not clear that this bunch of organized, this bunch organized that that so-called from PM is the is the what? Is the concussion of this. If I no, if I is not the organizer. That's the one thing I want you to understand. I said it already. The truth of the matter, that is Edmond. Please hear this and hear me. Edmond the Ibe. The organizer of the protest has nothing to do with IFI. PM is the one that requested for it. Okay, PM is in support of it. That is all the facts. That is all the facts. I told us yesterday. I've just confirmed that yesterday. If you want, if you're opportune to go for protest, you are not protesting for IFI. If what IFI you are doing is what Odekere is doing, that another person will do something very nice, they will go behind, pretending that they are the one that have done this. I don't know if you're following what I'm saying. Somebody will do something, they will go behind, present themselves as if they're the one that got it done. It's not good now. That is not good. That means you are lying. That means you are lying. You are trying to take somebody's glory. You see some people, like there's a video that I just recorded that video on our main platform. That video, as I'm talking to you now, is ready to go on air, but I have not pushed it to push it out. It's now ready to go on air about McCann's congressional briefing and other things that I said there. I will release that video immediately after this live broadcast. Okay, I will release it immediately after this live broadcast. I will release the video. Video like that, after some people like McCannod and some important personnel, you know, after they host this kind of congressional briefing, powerful one with exposition, you know, with a projector, display some proofs, video proofs of what is going on in Nigeria. Then when the congressmen and American government begin to work on that, Ogekere will now jump in and begin to use that to catch crews. The same thing that SDOS they try to use Rachel Wosu in Israel. And Rachel said, no, don't get close. They run away, they run far forth. When this protest was announced, some of them begin to prepare themselves and parade themselves as if they are the one. Because then, the reason why they did it, because they will still believe that they're the one hearing from PM, and it will be difficult for you to confirm or verify it from PM. Now the business is no longer as it used to be. PM can now talk to everybody. You cannot verify from PM. So the latest report is that PM says that he would like people to be in Finland to protest. Okay? If you want, if you are free. But in Kekachampa, bold the appeal. Let me tell you, it is better that you are in Finland during the appeal case. Okay? It is better that you are there than be in the protest. If you know that you are going to be in the protest and you are not going to be in Finland when PM is going to court, please save the money for that appeal. Yeah, save it. But if you can maintain the two, that is the best thing, because that is PM's wish. It has something to do with Mazakwan, and they just want to throw themselves to the whole thing and make it look like they are the one. They are not the one. I'm telling you, if you know, I don't want to sound like others, that if you know what I know, no. I don't actually have much. I don't have any skeleton in my cupboard. But you have to always understand that you have a government first. And I want us to start behaving like those who have government really. It's gonna be take time, because we don't used to. Now we have. We don't used to have, now we have. So it's just somebody go to motor offer, and we don't know how to drive. Within 3 weeks, you could put the motor off, we don't know how to drive. ị ka na-ama ma aka esibeghị ike. Onye fụghị ike mana onye na drive ahụ na aka esibeghị ike. But don't worry, as time progress, you know how to run speed and how to navigate ways. You want to aka esibeghị ike na steering. Oh, those words. So now that we don't used to have government, we don't know what we're supposed to know. That's why some people who actually know that the US government have been really declared, they are finding it difficult to comprehend some of certain things. You are struggling to understand what is going on. Sometimes you feel demoralized because you look at Okechukwu. Okechukwu, who you are together with yesterday, all of a sudden is now sounding as if he's somebody who will battery. Calm down. It's expected. Calm down. You don't rush. And the worst part of it is in the midst of you trying to figure out what is going on around, what's happening around you, and see your brother that you trusted so much speaking from both sides of his mouth. It could be the person is receiving this kind of people like Ifai message. Ifai, like I told you, you see the one that is in the public now about what he said in what he said that he must go through him before getting to PM. Is even one out of many things this guy is doing. I'm just hearing this morning that no one done upon a phone. I brought one day, not upon a phone, but people like this from the SGS now, like in Methuselah and on a phone. I call their mind. I played a video of Methuselah when the guy called what is the name of this guy? What am I doing with his name now? From Delta, from all this Riverine area. Let me see your comment. Let me know those of you that followed my program if you can remind me his name on the comment. Let me see. University. Who Ogwejofo? Is that Ogwejofo? Because of this, I will give you spanner here. I'm like somebody not active. I will give you spanner. I'm gonna give you Ogwejofo just that is guy, because that means when you watch program, you always watch it with your mind and your ear, everything intact. Ogwejofo have spanner here. I'm gonna give you spanner here. You have spanner in my 2 channel already, right? Ogwejofo have Ogwejofo is dominating my platform. No, don't mind my brother. You got it. Ogwejofo. University. That one called Methuselah. Do you know what he was telling Methuselah? That Ngozi, that he's not with Ogenkere, he's not with Ngozi, then where are you? Convincing, Methuselah, lying, free lie. In fact, please, I think I need to do justice to our brothers on comments. Those of you that joined me this morning, I have to read your comment. Let me read it, because even though I said that you're gonna spend just few time, and now is going to 14 minutes. I was expecting to run maybe 25 minutes and end it. And we have she said, Master Kai report, please ignore that nonsense. You are smarter than that. Please let me know, please, my brother. I don't know which of the nonsense is that. I don't have any problem with it. If you are referring to the guy that's the voice note, the guy that made the voice note is not my enemy. What he said is not bad. I'm not saying. Please let me know, Machibose. Let me know if you are in the same frequency. The guy that made the voice note is what he said there. I don't have anything against him, please. I'm just trying to tell us that if you are thinking like that, maybe because of what I said about PM or voice message, because that's what I believe. But some of us see it as a yardstick to measure who PM is support or PM did not support. I don't reason like you. You see the problem. I don't think like that. Let me tell you, even if PM appeared in their meeting, like physically, he managed to sneak out and appear live on their meeting, I will not hold PM. I hold that against PM. I still maintain what I'm saying, that USB declared is where I stand for. Until PM is totally free, then I will not see what he has to say. Just like Mas Namadakano, and some of us are saying, why can't Mas Namadakano tell people to come and join USB? I don't expect him to do that. You have to give time. He's not free. You have to give time. He brought to Ifela Sami in Awata, and DPM and Odoko number from D. They know this. They know it. They know what government means. They are the only one. They are the only people living in line with the expected character of a government. They are the one that living in line with that. So let us always understand what is playing out before we begin to judge. You know, you're going to say yes, okay. Joas, you are awake at this time? Joas said, "Good morning, Mazakai report from Malta. I greet you, one mother. Nice to see you. I believe you are our brother, not our wife, right? Because our wife may not understand Igbo language. He said because Joas is our brother that married to Chinese lady. God bless you and your family. Thank you so much. And the same to yours. Okay. And who again? Amy, Sammy, my brother Kai, maybe they think that you are not following the event from the onset. The fake voice they use is confusing. Why? No, not that voice. Not that voice. Listen. PM did not send them for PM called. They recorded it. Okay? Don't get confused. The one they sent to White is AI, original AI, well stamped. But when PM called in their meeting that we go to 247 and say that he was there and all that, that was PM calling. That is true. But PM did not call to sabotage anybody or to make anybody look important. But they want to use that to supply the US government. The reason why they're getting close to PM today, even before now, is for them to lay hands on certain things for them to prepare you in USB. Understand the trick. This is just pattern of saboteurs. They always want to use something that they think that you don't have to rub it on your face and tell you see it, I have it. Even irrelevant things, PM did not call them for you to feel bad. So don't let them use that against you. If you know how US government is in contact with the PM, each time they talk about PM calling, you will laugh. You laugh at them because they are just jokers. I'm telling you. Don't go there, okay? Just relax your mind. It doesn't mean anything. Just said almost help Biafra. And Edmond said the fact that if I send this audio to Emma, who is Emma? Emma as if he called them. No. Like I said, I know what I'm telling you. Even DPM already confirmed this. I think you guys should understand. DPM said that the PM can call it, but I'm telling you, it's the choice of USB government not to make their own public like that. They do call USB. He also talk to USB. But it's a matter of choice. USB government cannot come and begin to tell you guys, so come to Zoom meeting, PM will call today. That is somebody who is seeking for relevance. USB government is not seeking for relevance for Biafra to trust them. Fake people always seek for relevance. Real people don't do that. Their mind, they do their work diligently. How many of you remember when I told us that US government have a problem, and their problem is that they don't know how to blow their trumpet? How many of you remember when I was saying that? Because I know that PM do call them. Because I know a lot that is not in public. Do you understand? So each time, that's why when I see Kai, Peter Kav, he said, Kai, God will punish you, your father. That's your prayer. Who am I to say no when you say God should punish your father? Peter Kav, who am I to say? Who am I, Kwan? You are the one that wishing your father that. And I will say, man, let it extend to you and your children. You know what? You just wake up in the morning all you can say is God will punish your father. I don't have any reason to say no, my brother. Your father, says you want to go to punish your father. Let it happen to you and as you wish. Good morning. I'm there, my dear. Good morning to you. It is true. Mazakai report. That guy, Ifai, is the guy planting seed of discord in the heart of some people against Mazuchobi. Like I told you, that is very, very clear to everybody. Do you understand? Uh-huh. It's not only YouTube. That's why I said, if you're going to talk about what his efforts in, do you know that this guy is responsible to everything that Mazakwa is saying? You see all this nonsense that Mazakwa have been saying? This is his taproot. Ngozi cannot visit PM. That PM have sworn never to see his eyes on Ngozi. Machide or Boko Kuchi also I bet you with my 10 fingers and my 10 toes. They are just lying, lying after lying after lying. Can he also say it now? No. What is now telling is that the PM, the Ngozi don't want to visit PM. If PM don't want to set his eyes on Ngozi, I could use the word that he normally use. Then why then are you expecting DPM to go and visit him? But in reality, DPM do visit DPM do visit. She has been there 2 times. Most of them saying this have not been to prison to see PMO. The only time that Masakwa went there was when PM, during the court case. The reason why they went there is to drag followers. Not out of love, they pity or they care for PM. No. EDPM Bazu Africa to show you, hey, hello guys, only us, we are the real people that care for PM. US government doesn't care. That was the primary purpose of going. That was why they are hugging PM. Not that they love PM, they were hugging him in pretense. The end game is to show you that we are the only one that went there. You know what that means? Remember, they used to say that that Uchubi cannot get close. They don't want to. The PM don't want to see Uchubi cannot even go to PM until that day, that court day, that Uchubi appeared in the court. What happened? Oh, Negri goes to no, only him. Or boss going to because Kamaroji, Abasaga, Lazuba captured Duchi. I say again, if you allow yourself, they will play with you. Use your brain and we're touching gum. Don't mind them. Okay? Don't mind them at all. Peter Okafor, you are a useless fool. In a West time, we're never able to figure out. Somebody cool in the money for 1 year, what do you expect? If I said good morning, Mars, good morning to you. Kai, I mean they called okay. I mean they called to Emma. You mean Emma Madab, right? Maybe I don't care. Whatever they are doing there is up to them. Don't see listen, whether they're called or not called is not my problem. My own take is you, and I will play this nonsense. Do not take it seriously. They are just yapping nonsense. It's just that the USB government don't want to showcase you. They don't want to play that kind of childish game they're playing. Because these guys have fallen. Unlike you have not fallen. They have fallen. So they're not afraid of shame. They're not afraid of mistake. You get the point now? So and him going okay, now why you know what I can do? Aja nezu ya. It just get what I can go now. US government don't want to do that. They called Eggman. Okay, they call Eggman was jumping up and down with. You remember the Zoom call? That's what I'm saying. Okay, it happened many times. We are saying the same thing. Victoria said, Victoria can say, give thumbs up. And Mr. Mazikai always allow you food to come. Always allow fools to come here and insult him without blocking your criminals. I don't understand what you mean. He said that Mazikai always allow fools to come here and insult him. You see, when I got below the same, I listen. I have a way to have a spanner. Okay, I went to have spanner. If you want to block the person, it's up to you. Block him. You know why? Because I am not afraid of doing salt because I know what I'm doing. I'm not here to do illegal thing or to do something for my own selfish gain. I'm not in the cabinet. If you choose to comment and pour your mind, I will allow you to do that. Okay? Let me tell you, if you're insulting me here, maybe depend on my mood though. If you're insulting me, I may even allow it. But if you come here begin to say USB recharge card, for example, I will block you. Do you understand? I can take insults, but the moment you turn that insult to USB or to DPM or to PM or to Mazambukan, I feel more hot because my own, I know that your own is you are just useless, you know. So insulting me depends. If I have the time, I'll block you. I can reply you. I can even laugh it off because I know how to treat fools. That is just fine. You may have different opinion and different reaction. My reaction and yours may not be the same, but believe you me, it cannot even penetrate my skin. If I'm here, maybe lying, telling you false, something that is not true, then I will be very, very agitated. I will be agitating like that. Do you understand? You see, if you tell somebody who is a criminal, like unknowingly to you see somebody, you say the person in a neighbor show. Oh, we keep talking about this. You either like as the Oyeba show through the number show and the man on a show. Give away, you just maybe not so go the way said of word. It boy a show. Or can track about to change name because I don't know if I follow what I'm saying. But if I'm not that, I'm not a criminal, and they are calling me a criminal, what do you think I will feel? I'm not gonna feel more. I may not like you for saying that, but I don't feel bad. I will not feel pain. More why? I'm just giving an example, please. Why? One of that, if a man die on top, somebody could tell why you will start feeling uneasy because that story is actually your life. You know that, right? The person may not know that this kind of thing happened to you, but you feel uneasy. That is why when they come here and begin to talk to me or comment nonsense on my platform, you think I feel so bad? Not block factor because of you guys. This guy block this. I will block you for your sake, not because of me. I can leave you and say whatever I'm saying without even paying attention to the comments because I am not who you are calling me. But if I'm a criminal, that's why they say guilty conscience fears no clear conscience fears no accusation. So you accusing me of what I'm not. You are just. But if I'm angry, I may insult you back. So it's not a guarantee. You have to go. Amy, don't feel bad about it. Don't feel bad. Coming to my platform and talk nonsense is just you exposing your stupidity. Ogwejo said, God bless you. God bless USB donors. He said. That's the Ahmed. They with my brother. Nice to hear that. Udo did one name mother. They were Mati said that the guy that made a voice note. It could be him, the AI, right? Maybe. They started by putting fake the first AI they released. They even add PMC image and the voice of PM in that AI and the voice coming out was not actually lining together. They are different. That was when they tested that AI before they even dash Lasura case area, if you can recall. Before they even remember Lasura, they have already formed this kind of AI with that when they're testing the platform until they're paid for a special maybe premium package, the one that will look a little bit real. The first one, that was when they were Ojuku, instead of Ojuku. They want to talk about Aba. People must differ, not AI. Those of you that follow me there, I believe you remember. What I like about you is that you are always stand for truth. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. And Yayo said, when Simon Ekpa is out, the only thing we save his life is to go pick up his ID card, USB government, quick Mazamericano, USB government. I don't know what you mean by Quack Mazamericano coming out. The only thing we save him his life to run quickly. Okay. And they pick up his ID card. My brother, I'm to come maybe in a gaga. I did refusing to ID card or for the fact that PM do talk to from Diana, there is nothing worry about all the lies this bunch of idiots are pushing. Okay, I'll go for not only from D, in case of any matter. Okay, not only from D. DPM na okay, DPM and Pastor Rose. Did I say DPM or PM? Sorry, PM and so many people. Okay, that's why I said, and you see from D. Oh, he get reason. Oh, reason that when you or to call number. Oh my, that or to call number. That's the reason why I did that. From D, 1 in a million. You may not understand, but on a good day you will understand. On a good day you will understand her job. Will you feel the can know? You know the DPM know where somebody they trusted, capable hand, matured mind, matured behavior, well trained, highly coordinated. Do you understand? Highly coordinated. Ọ bụrụ ịmachagharị na amaghị ọnụ n'ife ị suppose ịmaghị ọnụ na-egosi these two, they don't there are other people. I've just mentioned 2 of them. There are other people. That's why if you are having feeling feverish because of this dead, useless talks, you are just wasting your time. You are just wasting off your time. When you see something good, appreciate it. It's not gonna cost you anything. It's not gonna cost you anything. I'm just telling you the facts. Please, if you have not liked this video, honestly, you are not helping matter at all. I will encourage you to quickly like the video. This is a money broadcast. Some of us may just watch and without liking the video. Liking it is encouraging. We have only 40 people that have liked the video so far. 40 people. And we have 54 watching live. If you are using tablets, maybe your phone, you're not seeing the option to like the video. There's the 3 dots, top corner on your right hand on your right hand, on your phone. Tap it, click on it, it will give you option to like the video. Please do like it. The seed of the truth is always nice to see. So, like I said, if you are one of those, now they're worried, about if they don't have Finland in Ako. Or they go na was an water. I'm not going to say HFE is so easy. So, after passing through all these things, after passing through all this talk from different angles, you are still contemplating, or you're still worried about what to KK so for the by now, all of you should have been refined to manage information, to comprehend information, to assimilate the truth for you to make a better decision. Why are you still, shivering about the Foyaku countries? Finland is in Europe. How can Only buying now what now no market said they buy now what abroad. All of a sudden now have access to all of a sudden now have access now be the one to tell Finland who will visit somebody in their custody or who will not in a question in a it's even a criminal offense for you to stand there to listen to what people are talking about. And I care about na DPM happen somebody the brutal. Now they care if naturally my if because honestly that's why I respect her. Every decision that DPM is taking, every of them, I said every, she always try to understand the feeling of PM. Onye na-eche maka sọsọ yawa nke dị ya ma nke dị ya mma ọ ka ịgbanye some people film. Ịghọtago? Ọ ka ịgbanye some people film. She needs help. Help only the one day eziokwu mana ọ dị rare to see. How many of us are willing to stand on the side of the truth without shaking 24/7? Chineke na ọ dịrị ezi ọ Chineke eze Chineke mere gị eze chaa n'ụzọ ọ bụrụ na o mere gị pụta gaa yọwa ya ka o mee gị ya. Don't front yourself illegally because n'Igbo Biafra. This guy filmed himself bragging no ya na-emepe door of Finland. Nke mana agba bọọlụ this morning bụ isi na azụ na-akpọ people. Ị na-aghọta? Achọ m ịga that side. Aka m gwa ife nka dị na mana onye gwara m they take permission from the person. Okay? I did not take permission. All I want you to understand is that just ignore any side talk, any bragging. Ndị na-afụ na amaja my idea ịkakwafa mma. You are actually more pure than them. Then I want to be go to say me off. No, okay, say me. Oh, if I can, oh, you actually think that this bad character of the SDOS ended with them? When some of them here, they're even with Ogen and Con after Cosana. Well, I don't know, okay, that Ogen Con after Cosana in the government in exile. Yeah, government. Another issue. Igbo nation is a very, very strong nation. So I know everything. I will remember. Come everybody this way by here. Everybody this way by here. My future. You know what you want. You are here when they started autopilot. You followed it. You have by now you should have known something. Somebody who have never been who don't pay attention to know what you know under Mass Morgan and PM. We want to argue with you. Not be juju be that. Not be juju be that. Enough argument. Or you come and make again an argument. USB Nation, it is our only hope. That is Christian Biafra son. The Chris Biafra son, I see Chris. USB. The USB government is here already to protect us all. Mazi Kai report ụtụtụ ọma sa nwanne that is Chris Biafra son ndewo nwanne mmadụ ndewo good morning Biafra ndị ọma ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. Chris said the Biafran try hard save money to get your own United States of Biafra national ID card. Very important. If that ID card. Not because I don't remember, but sometimes it's even at your own favor. I am a lawyer. Oh, you will think you got one leg. That is it. Do you know why somebody I called one of our brother, one of our father, because he's one of the Kwashoko survivor. You know, he told me a lot of stories. He may watch. I don't know if he's following this platform. He's there in Europe. Okay, I spoke with him. He applied for this ID card with his son. Get what that is story with his own son, though. So he was kind of he got automated message Then he told me that now when I get capturing on Monday or something like that. I'm not automated. Then that very day, email 30th of May. He was actually worried. He want to when I'm gonna have this capturing. Then I assume that we go follow link. They said that the link if old link. We went it. Now they made the announcement. So Imagono Obutu Obeloge. Or throughout the 2 weeks before 30th of May and after the 30th of May, I said, listen, once I made an announcement, there are actually 3, but I have a lot of number on my phone. I forgot to mark the other 2. Maybe they're gonna watch this video later. I did not call you because not because I don't remember, but I cannot recognize your number anymore. The one I recognize happened to be that our papa. Then I called him and said, look, this is the link. This coming was it Thursday or Friday? Is capturing day. Go there with your son and capture. After we make the capture, he for me back. He was so happy, so happy. Listen, come to run on a citizen there, but for the fact that the card, yeah, they verifiable, both Biafra. This are my father. Oh God, all they are going with the lottery. Although this is when somebody know the value of what we are talking about. Although the matter from boss, in a understand it. Understand it. Though you get why. Understand it. If you get wizard or that, if you get bull or that this, but if you can back. You think that the ID card is not, is not, making waves. That is why Ogekere constantly telling himself, because nobody is listening to him, telling himself that that we are not issuing ID card now. Don't waste your money. I don't know, cheeky Dutch. I don't need to reply him. So imagine that somewhere in a country and in why then about 4 of your friends Naketa government is in serious contact to give you stay where you are under United States of Biafra. My brother, no be joke. Can't watch this. Now you go the beg. I'm part of life. And on live program, somebody called me. I don't want to tell you the name of the person. The person called me. One of the person known at Homeland, according to story. About one Daniel, please. Oh yeah, on a cabinet member. How would you oh, we go now watch this. Your mom could go now. How would you she was like, look at, let me just, I want to share this testimony with you. It's like I was live. It's like, calm down. What is that? Or something that now, a friend, somebody, listen, in Australia, Ndio to DOS. Anachi ibunya. Oh issue. Fa Ghana. Anachi ibunya. You can find a this week. I think is that maybe on Monday or Sunday. It should be on Monday or Sunday. I can't forget, but this week. Got with this call in Australia. And I'm aware that the only savior give USB. And we call. We contact my phone. Was a contact here link. Back, as all the very lucky. The person, she's very, very lucky. Oma apply, it happened that this capture not just mention or got capture sharply. And what are the point now? Who believe here? Call the capture now. Due to the emergency now, only the US government afford to go document to a mission head now, Australia. Obi to go Ghana. Or now for the process, if aqua can not office now you say that name. because all the verify about the legit. Okay, now what na ịma na-ekwe ndị nka kịta ga na ebe aka na staka bụ na akwụrụ gị ụgwọ a na-akụ ụgwọ ịntanetị ị na-etiti aya kpọkwa gị ọ bụgo na ntị gị mechiri emechi anya gị dị sentị na mechikwara emechi nke a na-egụcha ere na sekere ga na listen. If you don't like it, then you can see how you can revert it. Not me. My own to report what is going on. Otansa akwakwa gị nke na-emego oge m gwara sị gị na ime mmadụ anadịgo ka ebe mmadụ bụ nọ apart from ime mpụta na-apụta n'ọnwa ya ka esi eweta freedom one achịcha ebe a ga-abịado aka abịadị n'ikpere aka ga mmadụ aka na CRC wee achịcha na CRC n'ọkwa committee of friends n'ọkwa just a mere committee that is dissolvable ha sị gị na BGC because they are struggling to lay hands on something. And people that like that can do anything to gain validation. Oh, go accordingly. Because what they're actually insulting is your intelligence. They are trying to insult your intelligence. So the only thing you need to do is to avoid it with everything in you. So that which they think will not come. They're not going to gain it. Prove to them that you know what you're doing. David, I greet you, my brother. Good morning to you. Chris, Biafran son. Now, let me just tell you, because some of us, I know that some of you, when I call your name, you will feel like this guy is disrespectful. Please, I don't see your picture. Some of you maybe, I was supposed to call you Mr., or Telegesa. Some of you may be very, very younger than me. So, but if I call your name, don't feel bad because you have to know that I don't see you. Okay? I have to let you know because sometimes I feel like some people may think that this guy lack respect. Please don't misunderstand me. If I know you, then I will going to base on your level, please. But if I call you direct your name, I can use that because I don't know. I don't quite understand or know who you are. Good morning from here, Mazikai reports. Good morning to you. Kai TV, do you think if Simon Ekpa comes out, do you think he is going to know where he is going to pick up his ID card, USBG? I don't know. I don't know, my brother. This is your Woto. Let me tell you something. You are not in position to tell PM what to do. He's one to tell you what to do. Okay? You are not in position to tell him what to do. What do I mean by that? You, SB government, that you are telling him to go and get the ID card, he's the one that actually designed that pattern, which ID card will come. So you don't talk like the SGS that want to be more Mazi than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The USB government is for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I'm not telling you that you don't need to pay Mazi to come to the USB government. No, it is his own. His own. PM is the same thing. So don't talk as if if we are the 1 year as anything. Only fan as here. Then as of people they natural relevant. They just want relevancy. So USB government is not in that position. Either push DPM, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, PM. These people are in the same boat, in the same line. There's nothing like what if again na here. Ndị ga na-ekwu na-eche ife ile echebụrụ ndị otu oge nke refa onye ka okono bido ta mmemazụ ga na attack o mepie ma attack o medipie ma attack or if we're gonna so we are not talking about it at all. Good morning, Kai. That is Jude Eze. Good morning to you, our own Triple M, or guy in the south. Greetings to you, Mazikai Report. Greeting one name, mother. Olewe, trust you had a pleasant night rest, and not really because I throughout the night one came out of the busy. I'm not gonna lie to you. I have to carry out some research on my own. Guys, kindly hit the like button and share the podcast widely. They will, Amy Sami said, Kai, any name you called from D, she deserve it. I'm telling you, Queen Egobert, powerful woman. Our DPM have close, our DPM have close to her. From D, like, ọkwa gold, ọkwa na-emetụ ya ka edishọn na-agbagide arụ. He said a criminal offense. I don't understand what you mean, criminal offense. Come to United Kingdom, do that bullshit, you go. You are going to prison too. You mean what Odekere is doing? The so-called Ifeanyi has exposed some who once told us his mankind. Good morning to you, and I'm not going to read further. I'm not going to read further. All I can tell you is good morning, please. Me, there were. Honestly, our people are very, very wicked. When it comes to sabotage, yes, Mazikai, another report has that Gumi wrote to Israel. Israel promised not to recognize. Our mom in car told me so I swear that open a Gumi like if it is true that Gumi wrote to prime is a real prime minister, a man who won't catch a deep believe in work and in northerners. Let me just take it just like you are just trying to crack me up. Like everything in the north, the only person that will write to is the prime minister, Bo Gumi. I just pray not a joke. I'm not going to finish this guy where. I think God, it was too funny. It's very, very, very funny. That's James the Chicos here. You are doing marvelously well. More grace upon you, USB government, all the way. DBMCOS Dr. Nkasa Rabeze is a wonderful woman indeed. God will protect her. I catch you there. About I catch you nke wide last one I call. Hey, are you serious? Or you are just please tell me that you are joking. Mankind. Half mankind na joke. Let it be on notice that anybody grab I don't that's the trouble what I try to say. Okay, anybody that anybody gara okay, when you're talking about family. But they came late and they will never succeed. God bless you, SB. No swimming go here when I walk up the way I can a bed. We get the Ghana, God bless you, our leader, Master Mordecai. That's so. You know, some people also want to yap nonsense. God bless our PM. Yes, so for someone stop people not to visit prison. Okay, yes, now you are right, Kai. UK will send you back to different prison. This one is doing it illegal. I believe that Finland authorities are not aware of that. You have to, that's why the guy is playing with fire. What that person stop people will get 21 months in prison. I believe that now. Personally, I believe that if OJ like that, people that they just Finland Amaro. For people going to know if I have black people in outer. And I know one day better PM. But that kind of, without knowing that they will get one abundance. Now, Ima, onye na-ezu oshi ị na-ezu na-adịrị gị izi tụgide ha if you don't know ya afọ ị na-ezu oshi n'oli no ọmụmụ no the person you can actually take the state this in his presence no not ọmamma God bless our DPM because of that that's triple M deo there you go. All eyes on USB government recognition. My brother, God will do it. God bless all the USB cabinet members. Genuine, please, how can someone in homeland get the USB ID card? For now, there's no way. Just relax, okay? For now, no. For your own safety, no. I am the citizen of Biafra. I am citizen of Behalf USB United States of Biafra. I think I am citizen of United States of Biafra. Nigeria must go. Please take your comment. I don't know why you put behalf. I don't understand that part. Who's that? Who is that? I think this person is new to me. I don't know. My sister, please let me. Is this your name or email, please? How do you pronounce it? How do you pronounce? Maybe you can type your name separately, please. Let us recognize you. Mami God said, bless Mazon PM and all the true USB cabinets and it is people and its people. Now, let me, because of what Mami God said, that I want to put here. Let me tell you something. Have you noticed that in today's Biafra movement, only USB citizens are in peace. Only USB citizens are at peace with PM, Dr. Abeze, and Mazda Marcano. Let me repeat myself. Only United States of Biafra citizens. All those ones are citizens, but you know what I mean? Those people that actually that understand that this is government that we all voted, carried out self-referendum for. They are the only people that are contented with Mazda Marcano, contented with DPM, contented with Mazda Biafra Prime Minister. Check CRC. They have issue with DPM. Some of them have potential problem also with the PM. Go to Sonak Barawa and a group of company. They have issue with Mazda Marcano. They have issue with the PM. They have issue with the DPM. The only one that they know is Ogenkere. So it is laughable. You go to Methuselah and their group. They have issue with the PM. They have issue with the DPM. They have issue with the PM. Some of them have issue with PM. Have issue with DPM. Some of them don't have issue with the PM. Have issue with the DPM. So only United States of Biafra citizen. I'm just verify what I'm saying. If I'm lying, what you said, this one not tire you. USB is the last destination. Triple M said, it is very, very funny. Even the Ogenkere that says that he is holding USB ID. Yeah, Ogenkere that says Ogenkere is holding USB ID card, but he's confused. But he's confusing the gullible following him. That is what criminals do. USB is a moving flight to the mother's land. Also blessed. If I don't carry the nan, I say, if I get made these people. First fortune, flower, shops, fortune, flower, Francisca Oyama. Is, are you okay? Is there any problem, my brother? Ogwejofo, I'm younger, 20, okay, 28, okay. If you go 28 years, but now if not that you said it now, and I'll be even adding you, sir. Oh, Master Cable. Mazekai, you hold no one any apology. No one is paying you. If anyone needs to respect, let him or her show face for you to know. No, that I don't know. Cool. I don't know. I just want to put it out there. I don't know. Udod, my brother. No qualms. No problem at all. And Ogonna, yeah, said, Masakai, keep up the good work. We are getting here. We are getting there. USB all the way. And Amadichi say, greetings, dear friends. My brother, Olewe, Edith, I say you good morning to you. I never fell bad for people or trances on social media before I chose a lady. I have swallowed my pride. My dear, you're not alone. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. That's a very nice comment. Mankind, it can go, but we move with speed under Dr. Gordon reason why carry carry of why carrier of USB. Afade, Afade. I greet you. Good morning, Mazekai. Thank God for giving us a voice like you. And I am also thank God for giving me a brother and understandable people like you. There, my dear. Thank you so much. Super sticker. My sister, I was asking your name. You just put super sticker. Is that your name? Thank you so much for super chatting anyway. God bless you. God bless you. Man, it back a while confirm. This your name. Oh, I know to pronounce them. Maybe you can help me out on that. I greet you. God bless you. God bless you. Is this live? Yes, so Kevin. Of course, man, this is live. I know you are surprised to see me this hour. You are surprised. I'm actually going to say yes. My landlady is crying. I don't know what is wrong with her. All these things happening in this struggle is really eye-opening. Because some people you don't believe that they can do what they are doing today. You are speaking in parable, and I love that. Don't go further. Greetings, Biafrans. Is that not Asatena? Yeah, my sister. Alpha. happy new day to you. Nde old Biafrans. That's Asatena. Masakai nde odisike Omaka Meregi. I greet you. I'm going too. All right, so that is it, my people, and I appreciate all of you that joined me this short live broadcast. God bless you. Maybe I will maintain this kind of just to have conversation in the morning like this. Maybe if I'm free, and we are going to come live today. Tina, my name is Oguwo. Chelo. This is our sister. Oguhi. Obu. Okay. That's a different name. Maybe I'm not comfortable with that, but I appreciate you. There, my sister. Your picture shows that you are a red Biafran. Can't I forget? You look smart. We know the dollar. I said I would like to know why you are laughing like this. Say how far? Freezing gatekeepers. Exactly. So you catch them. But it's unfortunate that they're actually fake. You know, prison warders. I will go give them praises now. I'm not getting if you come and they go some men or the bend touching on here. Now what that now nobody will see PM except going through you. Like Jesus Christ, you can't go to my father unless you go through me. Ebe mana iwe the fetch. All you are God will expose in fullness you can because they couldn't believe that. Okay, but may apply. If I talk a hijack, yeah, okay for these guys. Nah, ike gụkwa. So we are going to end it here, my people. Thank you so much for your time. I said to stream now to have a little short time with us, and I'm happy that you guys the turnout is actually unexpected, and I really appreciate you. God bless you, and see you again tomorrow here, like this kind of live broadcast. But we are coming back again. Oh, don't go anywhere, please. And the independent media, they say they want to have program today, so keep your eyes on that. And of course, if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Good morning, Mazekai. Thank God for giving us a voice like you, Docia. That is, I think you have said the same thing again, or you are just you're watching from behind, my brother. No, are you not the same person? I can't locate the other comment. Okay. Thank you so much. Like I said, thank you for giving me people like you as well. That's something I said. All thanks to the Oluchiwa God that visited. That is a visitation to Finland is it is not ordinary, and he just planned it and pum, he's there already. You know, he's not even up to 3 days after he discussed. He said that to my hearing. Before you know it, he's already there. I'm so happy, so happy for that. Ome for 30. Ome for 30. And I hope that a lot is going on. Let me just hold it there. I'm not going to further. Thank you so much. And good morning to all of you. See you again. Bye bye for now. Okay, Messiano.